I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we are going to show you how to sublimate on our frosted beer stein.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our frosted beer stein. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using the Sawgrass printer. So first we're going to go ahead and trim this up. We will leave some white space around it for the tape. You do not want to overlap your tape with your image because it can cause discoloration. And with this mug, you can do it a few different ways. You can do one on each side, or you can just center it. So today we're just going to center it. All right, we are going to press this today at 360 degrees at 240 seconds, and we're using medium pressure.
And we are working with our BJ 870 mug press. It is a 4-in-1 mug press, and today we are using the 11-ounce and 15-ounce element with this item.
Now remove your transfer immediately.
And very carefully, this is a soft coating, so you have to be very careful when you remove as well, because it can come off.
And there you have it.
So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com, so be sure to check those out, and don't forget to like and subscribe.